Hi, thank you all for coming to our open house tonight. And I'd also like to thank our school principal for giving me a few minutes to be able to share a little bit about who I am and our library. So first, I'd like to say welcome to your school library. I'd like to start off by telling you a little bit about who I am. My name is Leslie Girma, and I have been an educator for 20 years. I attended the University of Houston and received my degree in interdisciplinary studies, specializing in early childhood and reading. And I also attended the University of North Texas and received my degree in information science with a certification in school librarianship. And here is my family. I have one amazing daughter and a wonderful husband. And our family wouldn't be complete without our fur babies over here. We have Oliver and Biscuit. And just a little bit about myself. I love children's books. I love chocolate and I love walks on the beach. That is my absolute favorite pastime. So tonight I'm going to answer a few questions that I think will help give you a better understanding of who I am and our library and what it has to offer. So how can it help make a difference in the learning outcome of your student? Our students. Well, as parents and educators, we want our students to be critical thinkers. We want them to be lifelong learners and readers. We hope that they can learn to be skillful in researching and know how to use that information. And as your librarian, my goal is to truly make a difference in that learner outcome for our students. I will implement lessons that allow for building of these skills. I will also implement technology into reading and teach our students to be responsible digital citizens. I want them to feel empowered and have opportunities to grow in these areas. How will I work with you as parents? I'd first like to know what is important to you. As parents, what are your needs? What are priorities or concerns? I believe that together we can build a partnership that will best support our students and community. So tonight I have a questionnaire that's set up on the back table, and I hope that you'll please take some time to share your thoughts and ideas with me. I'd love to be able to build programs around what our students and community need. And even if you'd like to take it home and fill out the questionnaire a little bit later, just please feel free to drop it by the end of the week. And I'd greatly appreciate any input that you might have. How will I collaborate with teachers? Being an educator for 20 years, I understand that the time of a teacher is precious. My plan is to be an asset to them by becoming familiar with their grade. I will attend team meetings when possible, find out their needs, and collaborate on lessons based on their curriculum. I will create lessons that meet their objectives and be an extension of what they are already implementing in the classroom. Our library can go beyond our four walls. I believe that working together will positively impact students' overall development. I truly look forward to getting to know each grade level. What programs does the library offer? Well, we have a few that we will be implementing throughout the year. First, we'll have a reading incentive program, and I will send out details in our newsletter, and it'll also be posted on our website. And the children will have books to read, and there will be incentives and even a surprise party for this spring. We will have family nights that will be themed, and all will be welcome. We'll have special author visits, book fairs, mystery readers. So if you'd like to volunteer and sign up to be a mystery reader, we would love to have you come in. And we'll also have makerspace available where our children will be able to create different lessons based on what is being covered that month. So what is my role as an educator? Well, this is a quote from the American Association of School Librarians. Children who experience effective school library programs in the K-12 environment perform better in school and are better equipped for college, career, and community. As a librarian, I am an educator as well. I want for our students to experience an effective school library program. I'm knowledgeable in children's literature, technology, and information science, and I can't wait to share this with our students. My hope and goals are that I can help implement just this. Together, as educators and parents, we can prepare our students for college, career, and community. Here's a list of my references with a wealth of information if you'd like to check any of them out. It's been a privilege to be here with you all tonight. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to an amazing year together. Please email me or stop by if you have any questions. And please remember to fill out those questionnaires at the back table because I'd love to hear what matters to you. Once again, thank you, and I look forward to a great partnership with you as we move forward.